Alright, Super's in the trailer. Everybody's safe. Tracks should be clear and get back to racing.
You literally feel that in your chest.
What's up, man?
Hey.
So are you ready?
We are ready.
Alright, so here we are. We're gonna take the GTR and the Corvette for a little run. See how it goes. What do you think?
Dead ass. It's gonna be dead.
Dead?
It'll be a good race. It'll be a good race.
Because his car is about the same as mine, roughly.
So it's full bolt on. Making how much? What do you think? E85?
E85.
Making how much? What do you think?
850.
850.
You wish.
It's a lot.
Newton meters. Some other metric.
So we're gonna have a good time. We'll see who wins. So let's have some fun, man.
Thank you.
You ready, Will?
Hell yeah, man. I'm so pumped right now.
All right, we got Mr. Will in the car with us. So Will is buying a GTR, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, and in order to show him how great they are, we're gonna line up a race with these guys next to us. Their GTR runs about 147. Right now we're at 146, so as long as we do almost a gear, we should do okay. So,
Come this
Will,
third.
are you ready, Will?
I'm ready. I'm so pumped, dude.
All right,
I'm so pumped. This thing's gonna be epic.
here we go, guys. Is it fun?
Ride, bro.
So do you like this better than drag racing, or what do you think? It's different, isn't it?
It is completely different. I think I like roll racing better.
It's fun. It's not as brutal in the cars.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good time, man.
It's a really good time.
So you're gonna run your GTR when you bring it?
Yeah. So next spring, I'll run my GTR.
Good. Good. All right, guys. We're gonna cut out for now and talk to the guys behind us in a second.
Yeah.